Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmoud International School, Nakula. How are you, students? Hope you are well, and hope you are studying at home. Yes, are you studying? Very good. So, dear students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 5. What is the name of the lesson number 5? Yes, a present for G2. Okay, what do you mean by present? Present mean gift. Okay, whose name is G2? Yes, name of a boy. Okay, see, so dear students, we read in previous videos. Hope you would also read this lesson. Yes, did you read? Very good. So dear student, today we will understand what is given in this lesson. So first of all, this story is about a small family. Okay, how many characters are there in this family? 4. Jitu, Milu, mother and father. Okay, and there is a postman. Okay, see, so first of all, a postman knocks on the door of the tree of Jitu's house. You can see on your screen. Yes, a postman knocks. Knocks means strike. Okay, khatkatana. A postman knocks on the door of Jitu's house. Jitu's house. Here Jitu's apostrophe and S means it's showing ownership. Whose home? Jitu's home. Okay. Jitu's home means the house is belong to Jitu. Okay. This is called possession. See, a postman knocks on the door of Jitu's house. Yes, who knocks on the door of the Jitu's house? A postman. Postman means, yes, he brings letters and parcel. You can see here, this is postman. Who is this? This is postman. And what is in his hand? There is a parcel. Okay, and you can see he is hanging letters in his bag. Okay, see, mean he brings letter. So the person who brings letter, what's it called? Postman. Got it? See, does Jitu Rao live here? Does Jitu Rao live here? Who asks? Yes, postman. Okay, you can see this symbol is indicating postman. Okay, does Jitu Rao live here? Yes, what does postman ask? Postman asking about Jitu Rao. Okay, so see, I have a packet for him. Packet means, yes, packet means parcel. Okay, packet means parcel. I have means to keep, rakna. I have a packet for him. Got it? What does postman have to Jitu? A packet. Okay, yes. Who comes to Jitu's house? Postman. What does he bring? Yes, what does he bring? What does he bring? What does postman bring? I hope most of students will be answering a package. Okay, see, so you can see there is a postman who brings parcel to Jitu and asking by knocking on the door of Jitu's house. Got it? Here you can see this is Jitu. Who is this? This is Jitu. Okay, and who is standing with Jitu? His father. Got it? See, next, see, I am Jitu. Now Jitu is saying here. Now this is Jitu. Okay, and what is he saying? I am Jitu. I am, it's a short form of I apostrophe and is a short form of I am. I am Jitu. Now, after identifying the postman, yes, he is telling, oh, you are Jitu. Very good. Nice to meet you. And please sign here. At the time of giving parcel, postman asking him, please sign here. Sign means SIGN. Sign. Sign means signature. Okay. Sign means signature. So postman is asking to Jitu sign here. So after signing, postman hand over the parcel to Jitu. Okay. Now Jitu got parcel after sign. See what happened after that. As you can see, Jitu writes his name. The postman gives him packet. Okay. Now here Jitu signed. Then after signing, what happened? Jitu got parcel. Postman gives him packet. Gives him means gives Jitu. Okay. See now what happened after taking parcel? Yes. See. Then he comes to dad. Dad sees him with packet. What is in this packet? Who's asking? Dad. Dad is asking here. What is in this? Jitu is asking to dad. Okay. Here you can see the arrow is indicating Jitu towards Jitu. Okay. So Jitu comes to dad with packet and asks to his father. Ask him, what is in this packet, dad? Because he doesn't know. He doesn't know what is in this parcel. Okay. Then after listening, dad replied. What does dad replied? Yes. What does dad reply? Dad reply, maybe it's an elephant. Dad is replying, maybe it's mean it is an elephant. Means it is possible that there is an elephant in this parcel. Okay. In this parcel there may be an elephant. So then after listening Jitu yes, Jitu comes to mother. Okay. Father went away and mother comes. No, it's too small. Then now this time Jitu is telling to his mother, no, it's too small. Mother, dad was telling there may be an elephant in this parcel, but elephant is so big animal, and how it is possible that there is an elephant in this parcel? So he asked his mother, no mama, it's too small. Small means yes, too small means this packet is very small. बहुत छोटा है टू बी एन एलिफेंट, हाथी होने के लिए. मीन्स ये पैकेट तो बहुत छोटा है, इसमें कैसे एलिफेंट हो सकता है? सो टेल मी मदर, व्हाट इज़ इन दिस पार्सल, व्हाट इज़ इन दिस पैकेट? सो दिस टाइम हिज मदर tells him, maybe it's a football, maybe it's a football, maybe it's a football. Now mother was telling, there may be possible that a football will be there, means in this parcel there may be football. Okay. So what was according to father in this parcel? An elephant. And what is there according to mother in that parcel? Football. Yes, mother was telling about the parcel there may be football, and father was telling there may be an elephant. Got it? Now after listening, he was not getting satisfaction. So Jitu's younger sister Milu sees him with the packet. Okay, here you can see this is Milu, Milu, Milu. Yes, who is she? Yes, she is younger sister of Jitu. Okay, she is younger sister of Jitu. Jitu की younger means junior, छोटी. Okay, Jitu की छोटी बहन है. So now this time Jitu comes to Milu and Milu sees him with the packet. So yes, now after seeing Jitu, Jitu comes to Milu. Okay, now it's too long and thin. He understood that mother was telling about there is a football and father was telling there may be an elephant. So he is not getting satisfaction. He comes to Milu and asks him, Milu, do you know what is in this parcel? Father was telling there is an elephant. Mother was telling there may be football. Now I am telling no, it's too long and thin. Long means lamba. The parcel was long, okay, and thin. Thin means not thick, okay. Slim, patla. This parcel is looking very thin and very long. How can be possible? Yes, there may be football and elephant. So what? Tell me, what is there in this parcel? This time Jitu asks his sister, younger sister, his younger sister. Tell me, what is there in this parcel? Now Milu guessed that there may be. It is a pencil case. It is a pencil case. I think there may be pencil case. Pencil case means pouch, okay, a box in which we can keep pencils, okay, pencil case. So what is there according Milu in the person? What is there according the Milu in the person? Pencil case. So no, his friend Kitu, Kitu also there, okay, Kitu also there. Who is Kitu? Kitu is Milu's, Kitu is Jitu's friend. Kitu is Jitu's friend. This is Kitu, okay. This is Kitu. Who is Kitu? Kitu is Jitu's friend, okay. So this time Jitu is asking to Kitu, no, it is too big to be a pencil case. Jitu is telling to Kitu, no. Milu is telling there may be pencil case in the parcel, but I think there shouldn't be pencil case because it is too big. ये तो बहुत बड़ा है पेंसिल केस बहुत छोटा होता है. So I think इसमें पेंसिल केस भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So what will be there? Tell me. Now this time Jitu asked to Kitu. Now Kitu is telling maybe it's a flute. It's a flute. Flute means a musical wind instrument, okay, जिसे हम बांसुरी कहते हैं. Now Kitu is telling about this person there may be a flute. What is there according to Kitu in the person? Yes, a flute. Hope you would understood. Got it? So there may be a flute. Now up to here we understood this lesson. In next lesson, in next class, next video, we will understood ahead of it, okay. Up to when you have to read this lesson and try to understand what is given in this lesson. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.